Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to Dave's Acoustic Kitchen, and today we're going to be looking at a real Joni Mitchell classic, Both Sides Now. And just to look at how I actually play this song, when I'm playing it live, I've got an open string, open tuning guitar, tunes to the chord of D, but with a capo on the 7th fret, which means I'm in A, and I use 5 chords for this song. Let's just show what the 5 chords are. There's the open, A. There's these two fingers go up here making a D. These 2 fingers go up another one, they make an E with an A in it. Technically it could be called an E suspended 4th or an E suspended, but just the reality of it is it's 2 of the notes of an E chord. And then an A sitting in there. So there's the A, the D, the E. Then there's the B7, where it's just like the same as the D, but you've put your finger on there to give you a B note. And then finally there's the E chord, which is like that, on an open tune guitar. Back to the A. So those are the chords that I use, and the order I use them is in the intro. It's the A, D, E, D, A, ice cream castles in the air, feather canyons everywhere. I looked at clouds that way. Then you just repeat that for the second half of the verse, and you go to the chorus, where you go from the A to D again. I looked at clouds from both sides now, up and down, still somehow it's clouds, illusions I recall. I really don't know how at all. And that's essentially the song as performed on the open tuned guitar. Now, I'm going to try and replicate that on a conventionally tuned guitar without a capo. And we're going to look at the A being played like this, or like that. We can make a pretty good replication of the D, keeping the A in it by going like that. Very well known thing to do. And then actually the E, same way. You've got the A sitting there in the bass still. It's a bit of a discord, but it's okay because you pass through it quite quickly. And then the B, I would say, let's go for the lazy guitarist, B minor 7, two fingers. And the E, or E7. And those are the chords. You could, for the D and the E, go up here. Some would do something like... I find that difficult myself. I find it easier to go for these ones. So I'll go through the verse, the intro, and the verse and the chorus, so we get them in the right order. Flows and flows of angel hair, ice cream castles in the air, and feather canyons everywhere. I've looked at clouds that way, but now they only block the sun. Rain and storm everyone. So many things I would have done, clouds got in my way. To the chorus. I've looked at clouds from both sides now, up and down, still somehow it's clouds, illusions I recall. I really don't know clouds at all. Work through verse 2, verse 3, final chorus. It's all the same chords. That's Both Sides Now by Joni Mitchell. Happy hunting you guys. See you back sometime at Dave's Acoustic Kitchen.